Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to receive the most at this time. Thank you. So Pisces, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels will bless this reading and then we'll start from there. My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Pisces gang, please. This one. All right, let's put this card here, Pisces. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Pisces, is Heaven is watching over you. Okay, so don't ever feel alone, Pisces. You have all your angel guides around you, loving you, protecting you, taking care of you at this time. Okay, so let's put this card here and see why you need all this protection right now. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being so supportive to the channel, for all your likes, comments and shares and care and the love you send me. I'm very obliged. Thank you. Very grateful. Thank you. And yes, if you're new here, Pisces, we welcome you too. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family, and yes, we welcome you. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm putting down just about a simple 9-card spread to see what message there is for you. Since it's just a small little love bite, your longer readings have already been put up. I'll leave a couple of links at the end of the video in case you want to catch those. And yes, if you need a private reading, Pisces, you can reach me. My email is in the description box below. So right now, Pisces, you may be single. It's a single, abundant, happy, beautiful card here. And yes, you're looking good, feeling good, looking after your money, taking care of yourself, taking care of your pentacles, and trying to find happiness from within, it seems. Let's see what's happening. You were dealing with a trickster, it seems, and the love kind of drained out here. Chapter still kind of open somewhere in your heart and mind, but this was an unjust situation and there's a bit of stagnancy here. Wanting to heal this. Okay, so let's do one thing, Pisces. Let's take some dialogue message cards first and then we'll, clarify these cards. So what would Pisces or their person like to say to each other, Spirit, if they could? Pisces and their person. I have two already. Okay, one more. Pisces and their person. Thank you. Let's take a few more from this deck. Pisces and their person. If they could say something to each other now, Spirit. Thank you. First card I have here, Pisces, for you is, I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. Let me repeat that. I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but you use silence as a manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out like grown-ups. So there is a bit of stagnancy going on, and maybe this trickster energy that you've been dealing with maybe uses it to their advantage. So maybe little fights are created and then they go into silent mode and then they ghost you and you feel it's your fault, right? You feel you've upset them. I don't think so. I really don't think so. My mind is in turmoil trying to figure out how I can fix the mess I've made. I'm suffering from sleepless nights and feeling very low and anxious. So I think the feminine energy is now kind of focusing on themselves and trying to find happiness from, within themselves. And the love is all gone here. I think now somebody is kind of like, maybe the masculine is now feeling, oh God, have I pushed my feminine too far now? I admire you, I care about you, I trust you, I respect you, and I love you unconditionally. You are my true love. Why do people play these games when all that is there? I don't understand. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and I plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I will never be the same again. And this, I think, sounds like this feminine energy here who's trying to heal and trying to find happiness, but they were very badly hurt because of the indecision that was caused by this trickster energy. Next card. I'm not currently feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. See, this was the problem. Because they didn't want to commit, they didn't want to be in a consistent kind of a relationship, they used their magician manipulation to ghost the feminine or make her feel that she was in the wrong or something like that. I do see us together in the future. I believe that you are my destiny. So even though they knew that this feminine is perfect and they love this feminine, but maybe they didn't want to commit right now. Our separation has destroyed me. There are times when I haven't wanted to live. I have wondered if you would even notice if I no longer existed. This is the kind of pain this, I think, feminine has endured because of this person. Okay, so let's clarify these cards now, Pisces. Let's see who is this trickster energy and what did they do? Magician spirit, magician. They stopped messaging, they stopped talking, they stopped coming forward. They ghosted basically. Page of Wands in reverse, that's ghosting energy, right? I won't message you anymore, or I won't talk to you. Cut off communication from the other person. What else, Spirit? Yeah, they probably must have told their feminine that I'm not interested in accepting any offer or giving any offer right now. I have problems. I'm not in the, like it said, I'm not in the right space in my head and mind right now, and that kind of stopped the flow of this relationship here, Pisces. Ace of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Cups in reverse. Ace of Cups in reverse. Whatever this trickster did, I think, made this Queen of Swords, the feminine energy, kind of very upset, very angry, very bitter, almost felt like, oh my God, my life is over, right? It also made this Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords feel very restless, and this loss of love was not an easy thing to bear. But even now, I do see the World card in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the World card in reverse? Why is the World card in reverse now? Now the problem is that this masculine has finally woken up to their passion. Now they want to take action. They have realized that whatever tricks that they've done have kind of backfired on them. Okay, they were ghosting and trying to kind of cut this relationship short and come back again, leave them again, so that they wouldn't have to commit. But now they've realized that this Queen of Swords has been smartened up now. They've taken back charge, taken back control, and maybe this masculine feels now that they've lost this love. Now this love was important to them. That's what they were feeding off on, right? Now they feel, oh my God, I still have passion for this feminine. I still want this feminine, and maybe I pushed her too far and lost her love. Now they're feeling abandoned, left out in the cold, and feeling, oh my God, this has kind of backfired on me. I don't want to shut this chapter off completely. I wanted it as and when I wanted it. But this was not a very just situation, right? So one person was enjoying it while the other person was feeling miserable. Now whatever has been done, now bad memories have been created in this relationship. Now this beautiful soulmate connection is in jeopardy, Pisces, right now, because now maybe the feminine doesn't trust. Yes, and also this feminine has now kind of started valuing herself. She's realized that I myself am gorgeous, right? I am a go-getter, I am beautiful, and why should I keep suffering for this person who, even though you guys are an equal match here, look at this, King of Wands and the Queen of Wands, but somebody here played tricks and now things have backfired on this king, while as the Queen of Wands has now picked herself up. She's found her self-confidence because now she's single, she's beautiful, she's abundant, and trying to find happiness in other places. Maybe she's choosing new options as well, trying to decide, where do I want to go from here now? So that's karma, right? That's karma. So now things are totally stagnated between the two of you. Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Now somebody wants to communicate. There is, I think, somebody who's wanting to now end this fight, this conflict. But now they don't think they have the face to, because they haven't put in any investment. So all they can do is wish and hope and pray that they haven't lost this feminine completely. Five of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Five of Wands in reverse. Now they want to put an end to all this burden that they've put between the relationship and try and heal this relationship. Because without this feminine, this masculine now feels very ungrounded. They're not that strong and powerful as they felt when they knew that somebody was waiting for them and waiting for their love, and when will he call and when will he come. That time they were all chuffed up and their chest was probably ballooned up, right? But now their egos got a big kick when this feminines said, okay, if you don't want me, I'm moving on, and I know I'm worth a lot, right? I bring a lot to the table. So now this masculine is feeling very ungrounded. They want to drop the fight. They want to choose. They know what their choice is. They are not at crossroads anymore. They've always known. They've always known what their choice was, but they were trying to play and be a trickster here. Now the love is overflowing from their end. Now they become the King of Cups. Even though they have a lot of love, now they're having little bit difficulty in how do I now express my love. This person likes to keep their emotions hidden all the time. So now they don't know, even though the love is there, I haven't invested anything now. So with what face am I going to go back, right? Now it's going to take a lot of work, they feel. It's going to take me a lot of work now to heal this broken situation. Seven of Pentacles, Spirit. Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Because now they know which is their golden cup. This was their golden cup, which they kind of took for granted, I guess. But now they know. I mean, this is the only cup which is worth anything. Now they want to get out of their self-inflicted prison that they've put themselves in of overthinking and worrying and stressing. And now they want to invest, but they also know that they haven't invested, and now it's going to take a lot of work. So, Eight of Pentacles, Spirit. Now they don't know the truth, whether even their partner wants them back. And that's the big trouble here. They know that this relationship has taken a totally different turn. It's gone backwards instead of going forward. And they are desperately now wanting to come out of this fear and anxiety and tension and this toxicity that they find themselves in because of this fear of the unknown. They don't know what the feminine is going to reply if they do come, which they find it very difficult to, because I don't think this masculine is easy on their words. They don't know how to express their emotions. Now they're going back and forth, juggling, thinking, oh my God, what should I do? What should I do? What work can I put in now to heal this broken heart? Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. They feel like such a fool now. They're feeling like such a fool now. What did I do? I had a good thing. And yes, now the only way they can, they're feeling foolish because they have lost the most passionate thing, I think, in their life. They have no passion at the moment. Not that they want anybody else. They want this one only, but now they don't know how to start this passionate new beginning again. So I think what they are kind of planning is go straight for the four of wands. Maybe now they'll have to offer a commitment. Maybe they'll have to offer marriage. But there's a bit of delay going on here because there could be distance between the two of you, or maybe they are scared to come forward. Why is there a delay, Spirit? Why is the Chariot in reverse? Because they feel their soulmate doesn't want them anymore. They feel they've ruined this beautiful connection. So they're sitting in their fear. They want to they want to come out of this, but I don't think they know how. So what can we expect now, Spirit? Right now, there's a bit of waiting going on. There's just a bit of waiting going on. Things are still stagnant, Pisces. I think neither you nor your partner are feeling emotionally satisfied right now. But this is what I would recommend. This is what the masculine is doing. They're just waiting and watching and thinking. What should be my next move, right? For the feminine, I would say don't wait around. I know you've turned your back on this masculine. You continue your journey. You continue your journey. It's if they have to catch up, well and good. If not, so be it, right? But the good part is this masculine has finally woken up. They've understood. They've realized right now they're in regret. So I think it's only karmic justice that they go through a little bit of the pain. I think that they've caused you as well, right? And let them pick up their courage and come to you if they want to. So you are glowing, you feminines, you are glowing. You are the Queen of Wands now. Go out, enjoy yourself. Don't wait. Love you. Take care. Namaste.